Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to turn off Twitter sound effects. First of all, open the Twitter app. Click on the profile picture on the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. Tap on Settings and Privacy in this menu. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility, Display and Languages. Click on Display. Go to Sound Effects and turn them off. That's how you can turn off the sound effect on Twitter. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.